Actually, to put on record is not. I think this is like one of my lights, so that yeah, I have some more lights in my face. So I don't know, man, but these are like square around dummies of various sizes. I think this is smaller. This is like 4 inches. This is like 4 inches in length, and this is 4 inches in diameter. Yeah. So basically, these are like my dummies that I'll be using over the course of this. Over the course of this channel, I'm going to teach you how to ice a dummy, and how to actually make a really budget cake look really expensive. They might pay you a cake. They might pay you for a cake of like how to make a $100 cake look like a $2,000 cake per se. With like dummies and just putting lots of dummies here and there around the cake, and you just get something really exquisite. Is it exquisite? Or something really exceptional per se. So yeah, basically that's it. So I'm not just gonna point out much of that, and I think I'm just gonna catch you later on. Yeah. So yeah, as the title implies, I'm introducing you to the next level of events that I would, or the next level of series that I would be working on this channel. So it's going to be my wedding cake series, where I just decorate different designs of wedding cake, or where I convert a really simple wedding cake to a piece of art. Yes. So yeah, so basically these are dummies, basically white foil that I'm going to be using in place of cake, because I figure this will be like more economical and more realistic to use than just baking cakes every time and wasting them. I also have some set of square. These are sets of square. I have like 4 sets. I have model. I have like 4 sizes per se. This is not really straight. I cannot straight. But then you get the gist. It's like this. But then you get the gist. So over the course of this channel, I'll be like playing with these a lot, and I'll be teaching you how to really get something, really beautiful from all these, basically. So do stay with me, and do well. So concluding, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Share to your baker friends. I think they're the ones that will be more interested in these videos. And basically, you know what the channel is about: how to bake easily from your house. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and actually share. I really appreciate you sharing my videos. In that process, I'll have to get more views. Put it into your status, share it on TikTok. Just share basically, and I really do appreciate. So I think that's it for now. I think I'm gonna catch you later. Peace out.